It is written in Romans 12:2, "Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind." This is not just a phrase that you will read and forget. This is a phrase that will transform your life to a greater extent. Once you understand this, you will become unstoppable, and manifesting something will be a walk in the park. Last night, I was scrolling through Instagram, and this phrase appeared in front of me. As I read it, something in me cleared the clouds of my doubts. As I talked in my previous videos about the renewing of the mind, this phrase gave that video a whole lot of sense. As I observed this phrase, it revealed many things to me. It revealed the concept of manifestation to me. If you were raised with religious teachings, you might have heard it before but never seen it in this light. The phrase starts with not conforming to the pattern of the world. In a nutshell, it revealed to me that I should not be bothered by external reality. It revealed to me to not be concerned with our present limitations. The world is following a certain pattern and conforming to that pattern, which keeps us stuck wherever we are in life. As before experiencing the manifestation, we were following a pattern, one where we viewed our life from one perspective only. We followed a pattern of taking physical actions, and if something seemed extremely far and seemed to have no relation with our physical actions, we considered that an impossible thing. Now, after experiencing some instances where we consciously applied the law, we got some results. These results showed us that even the things we considered impossible were possible with the power of imagination and focus. As we learned more about it, we started giving less importance to our previous pattern of living in this world, which was taking physical action. We stopped conforming to the present obstacles that told us that it was impossible. Instead, we started imagining it happening right now and here. As we did it, we renewed our mind, which transformed our world. Renewing the mind simply means imagining something different than our present circumstances. As we imagined ourselves having our desire, despite our physical circumstances, we renewed our mind. We are transforming ourselves by doing so. If you understand this, you will know that even our holy books talk about manifestation. Renewing this mind seems difficult at first because either you are too logical or you have little faith. But if you follow this one practice every moment of the day, you can renew your mind and transform your world. The practice that I am talking about is controlling your inner conversations. What are you saying inwardly? This inner speech is frozen in the world around us. This entire universe is a frozen inner dialogue. Throughout the day, you are indulging in some inner conversations, either with a specific person, money, your parents, friends, or co-workers. Not only this, but you are having these tiny speech movements about the concepts you came across. Suppose you were in a mall. You would start having these inner conversations within you. You have these conversations about the world, government, cities, weather, seasons, etc. If you observe yourself, you will know that you are speaking a lot more internally than externally. Your thinking is also your inner speech. These speeches are conditioning your mind to look at your life in a certain light. Controlling these thoughts is the quickest and easiest way to renew your mind. Neville has talked about this again and again in his lectures. Also, you know this practice of controlling the inner voice is mental diet. YouTubers talk about it by referring to it as a mental diet. If for a single day, you would think from the perspective of having your desire, you would start getting lots of evidence. Many books are written on this mental diet practice. The 7-Day Mental Diet by Emmett Fox is a golden book that has helped me a lot. Now, I know some of you find it difficult to follow a mental diet. I know it seems like an exhausting task. For you guys, I would suggest doing the affirmations. It is because when you boldly claim that you have what you wanted, you suggest to your mind that it think different thoughts. As you speak them, you bring your awareness again and again to the perspective of having your desire. Once you start doing them, there is no going back. Your life will unfold the way you imagined it to be. You are the cause of the things you experience in your life, and realizing this makes you a strong person. Every time you are conscious of accepting something as true, you are impregnating your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind does not question you but gives your idea form and shape that you call a physical manifestation. Follow a mental diet. It is the solution to all your problems. It is a solution for all your desires. Just be honest with yourself when performing this practice. You may fall 100 times by thinking negatively. Even if you fall, just get back on track and follow your diet for a few days. If you can't even commit to this practice, why are you seeking commitments from the outside world? This reason is enough to show you why you are not getting commitment from your specific person. They are you pushed out, reflecting what you are. You are not a person who can commit to anything, which is why they are not committing to you. Anyway, you will learn a lot about your mental programming when you follow this practice. With this, I hope you learned something wonderful. Subscribe because I post these videos regularly. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.